You've assigned adaptive practice and your students have started working. Now you want to know how they're doing. Let's take a look. Unlike your students, when you launch the assignment, you're taken to the instructor view, where you can see how your class is doing as a whole and how each individual student is doing. How many students have started the assignment, finished it, or are struggling? And if they are, in what sections of the chapter are they struggling with? You can even drill down to see exactly what questions they're getting right and wrong. And you can use the information to guide future review sessions, office hours, or future assignments. And all of this is updated in real time as your students take the assignment. I hope this helps, and please don't hesitate to reach out to your customer success manager for assistance. And if you don't know who your CSM is, please email customersuccess@wiley.com and we'll get you connected with them right away. Have a great semester.